Hello human bodies. I'm King Halder, your teacher. So without wasting any time, let's start. At first, open your favorite browser and open this link from the description menu. Now scroll down a bit, and there you need to complete the reCAPTCHA, and then click here to continue. After that it will redirect you to the next page. Now wait for a few seconds, then scroll down a bit, and click on Get Link button. After that it will redirect you to the new website. Here you can see the name of the movie you wanted to download and the details of the movie too. Let me show you some sample picture quality of this movie. You can see it's in good HD quality. Now to download it, just click on the big download button and then your download will be start. So I hope my video helped you a lot. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to support this poor YouTuber.